Hello everyone and welcome back to another video at Vlogs and Concept, and I hope that you guys are doing well. So there's no need to ask how you guys are doing. So I'm asking this once again, that how you guys are doing, and let's start the video. And yeah, one more thing, a small introduction about this video, that this video is about the side view of a car, of a sports car, because all the cars have different shapes and different sizes and also the different proportions. You can also call it as a model. Some cars are in the model of wagon, some are SUV, some are MUV, some are hatchbacks, some are cubes. So this is a front-made engine sports car in a sedan body. So let's start the video. And yeah, one more thing, that if you have not subscribed the channel, then please go and subscribe my channel, like this video, share with a friend, and also click on the bell notification icon so you will get notified every time when I upload a new one. So without wasting any time, let's start the video.
I got a bottle of Patron and some lights off, two red devil looking eyeballs, and I'm finna turn up when the night falls. If you hear a siren, then it's my fault. Jump in my whip, baby, let's ride. We ain't gonna stop at a red light, and I'ma take shots like a Tech 9. It's gonna get live. Here we go, it's about to go down. Let me know, I'ma buy another round. Get low, drop it down to the ground. Oh yeah, wow, shorty make it bounce. Mama see the put cuffs on my cardiac. Took my breath away like a heart attack. And I'ma spend every dime in my money back. Everybody wanna know. If you're ready, let me know. Let's go. If you're ready, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. If you're ready, let me know. Here we go. Let's go. I got a bottle of Grey Goose and ice cubes. Have a drink that'll put me in the right mood. 80 proof's gonna lower my IQ, and I've been the same way since high school. I look shorty right in her brown eyes. She about to take a trip to Cloud 9. I'm the man, baby, I get the crowd hype. I turn the cadence of a hook into a soundbite. Here we go, it's about to go down. Let me know, I'ma buy another round. Get low, drop it down to the ground. Oh yeah, wow, shorty make it bounce. Mama see the put cuffs on my cardiac. Took my breath away like a heart attack. And I'ma spend every dime in my money back. Everybody wanna know. Let's go. If you're ready, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. If you're ready, let me know. Here we go. Let's go.
can't believe how it all turned dark. Bring me to life. When the night is falling, I feel the darkness calling, like I'm afraid to love. No one can see me now. When the night is falling, I feel the darkness calling, like I'm afraid to love. No one can see me now. No one can see me to sleep with open eyes. I used to breathe just to keep us alive. Now all I can see is we're drifting apart. I can't believe how it all turned dark. Bring me the light. 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 Bring me the can't believe how it all turned dark. Bring me the light. When the night is falling, I feel the darkness calling, like I'm afraid to love. No one can see me now. When the night is falling, I
So I hope that you guys have watched the video, and if you really like the video and if you have enjoyed the video in any sense, then please go and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell notification icon so I will notify you every time when I upload a new one. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही. तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, वीडियो को शेयर करें once again, and it's a humble request to all of you. And yeah, one more thing, just wait for the next video, and take care. Bye.